Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily connect Calendly to N8N. So all you have to do is head over to N8N and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, just click on Personal. And to start, just click on Add First Step. Next, in the right section of your screen, you should be able to see search nodes. And from here, all you have to do is search for Calendly. Then click on Calendly. A new window will then pop up, and all you have to do is click on the drop down menu, then select Create New Credential. And from here, from the options in Connect Using, just choose API key. So for us to be able to connect N8N and Calendly, we're going to need an API access token from Calendly. Next is just head over to calendly.com and log into your account. Next, in the left panel, just look for integrations and apps. Next, in the search bar, just search for API until you see API and webhooks. Just click on it. Then start by clicking on Get a Token Now. Just click on Continue. And we can choose a name for this token. We're just going to name it N8N. Then click on Create Token. From here, you're just going to need to verify by entering the code that is sent in your email. So from here, we have already got our personal access token. And all you have to do is copy this token. And from here, just paste it on the API key section. Then once done, just click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!